Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to check watch history on Twitter X app. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end to avoid missing any vital information. In saying that, let's dive into it. So first things first, go to your Player App Store, search for Twitter, and then once you've found Twitter, make sure it's updated to the latest version and then click on open. Once it's opened, click onto your profile, and then scroll down and click on to settings and support. Click on settings and privacy. And then on this page here, click onto your account. And then click on download an archive of your data. Just wait for this page to load up. And then on this page here, click on send code, and this will go to your email. Alright, now head over to your emails to copy that code to put it into this box here. Alright, I've opened up my email account, so click into your email, copy the code here. Now head over to your Twitter X app, click into it, paste in the code here, and then click on to next. And then you'll come to this page and then click onto where it says request archive. And then down the bottom, they'll say, we'll let you know once it's been sent. It could take up to a few hours to 24 hours. Just depends how busy Twitter are at the time. Alright, thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it. It helps us out a lot.